This is an overview of the Azure IoT Solution Accelerator for Connected Factory. Once we've installed the Solution Accelerator, we should be able to log into it and see the dashboard. Some simulated factories have been created in the dashboard. For example, we can click on any of the factory locations to zoom into the issues. We can also dive more deeply into the alarms and click on the graph to explore the time series. For example, using the time series insights in Azure, we can actually zoom into any anomalies, explore the events around it. This is designed to be a running system with simulated devices that can be modified. And this is also available on GitHub. We can find the device twin in Microsoft Azure dashboard when clicking on any device belonging to the IoT hub. This device twin is basically a representation in JSON of the current device state. These are all the simulated devices. This ends the demo.